My kids are gonna freak.
On April 23, 2026, a tornado affected parts of northern Oklahoma, including areas near the city of Enid, Oklahoma. The event occurred during a period of active severe weather across the central United States, where atmospheric conditions strongly supported the development of intense thunderstorms, capable of producing tornadoes. During the afternoon, a storm system formed and steadily intensified as it moved across the region, prompting official weather warnings and heightened public awareness in affected communities. The tornado caused damage to both residential and commercial structures across several areas. Local officials reported that many homes were impacted, with damage ranging from partial roof loss to complete roof removal in more severe cases. Windows were broken, exterior walls were weakened, and structural integrity was compromised in multiple buildings. The damage pattern indicated a narrow and concentrated tornado path, where some properties experienced significant destruction, while nearby structures suffered lighter impacts. Mobile homes were especially vulnerable, sustaining the most severe damage due to their lighter construction and limited resistance to extreme winds.
Oh my.
Infrastructure across the affected region experienced widespread disruption. Power lines were damaged or knocked down, resulting in outages that affected many residents. Utility poles were broken, leaning, or completely destroyed in several locations. Debris, including tree branches, roofing material, and construction waste, blocked roads and limited access for both residents and emergency responders. In the hours following the storm, cleanup crews began removing debris and restoring basic access to ensure emergency operations could continue safely and efficiently. According to emergency management reports, at least 10 people were injured during the event. Most injuries were classified as minor to moderate, including cuts, bruises, and injuries sustained during evacuation or structural collapse incidents. Medical teams transported injured individuals to nearby hospitals for treatment. As of the latest available updates, no fatalities were reported. Officials emphasized that damage assessments and injury reports were still being reviewed as field teams continued inspections across the affected region. The tornado also impacted Vance Air Force Base, which is located near Enid. The base experienced temporary disruptions to electrical and water systems, requiring immediate response efforts to maintain essential operations. Personnel conducted safety inspections to evaluate potential structural damage and ensure operational stability.
Okay, love you too. Bye.
Emergency teams worked to restore utilities and secure affected facilities. Early reports indicated no serious injuries among military personnel or base staff. Emergency services responded rapidly after the tornado moved through the area. Firefighters, police units, and search and rescue teams conducted systematic checks in affected neighborhoods to locate individuals needing assistance. In several cases, residents were safely evacuated from damaged or unstable structures. Authorities coordinated efforts to secure hazardous zones, manage traffic restrictions, and provide emergency shelter for displaced residents. Weather agencies had issued warnings prior to the tornado's development. These included tornado warnings and, in some areas, tornado emergency alerts, which indicate a particularly dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Yeah.
Such alerts are based on radar signatures and confirmed reports of tornadic activity. Early warning systems allowed many residents to seek shelter in time, which likely reduced the severity of injuries and prevented additional harm. The broader weather system responsible for the tornado remained active after the event. Meteorologists noted that atmospheric instability, moisture availability, and strong wind shear continued to support the potential for further severe storms. Forecasts after the tornado warned of additional risks, including heavy rain, large hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornado development across parts of Oklahoma and surrounding states in the following days. Following the storm, assessment teams began detailed surveys to determine tornado strength using the enhanced Fujita scale. This process involves analyzing structural damage, vegetation patterns, and engineering indicators to estimate wind speeds and classify intensity. Preliminary observations were collected along the tornado's path, but the final official rating had not yet been confirmed at the time of reporting.
Oh,
In the aftermath, local communities began recovery efforts. Some residents were temporarily displaced due to damaged or destroyed homes. Emergency assistance programs provided temporary shelter, food, water, and basic supplies to affected families. Utility crews worked continuously to restore electricity, water, and communication services. Cleanup operations continued as debris was cleared and damaged infrastructure was repaired. Overall, the tornado was part of a seasonal pattern of severe weather typical for the region during spring. While damage in certain localized areas was significant, the overall regional impact remained moderate compared to larger tornado outbreaks recorded in previous years. Authorities continued to monitor weather conditions closely, as the environment remained favorable for additional storm development.
mira nomás. Y viene más cerca. It wasn't like that. Oh man, we gotta go. Ahí viene para acá. Ahí viene para acá.
Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.